My name is Marissa Bluestine. I'm the legal director for the Pennsylvania Innocence Project, and I've been the director since we started in April 2009. It's always been very important to our mission that we aren't just focused on the cases themselves. As incredibly important as it is to free convicted innocent, it's important to prevent innocent people from being convicted in the first place. So we look for a broader impact for the work that we do. We work directly with law enforcement, with judges, with prosecutors to try to educate the entire criminal justice system on wrongful convictions, on the issues that lead to wrongful convictions and how we know we can prevent them. So that's a critical part of the mission. It's something that we take very seriously, and we've been fairly successful in terms of working directly with these stakeholders and being welcomed to the table as part of that, because the mission is pure. It's just about making sure that there are no innocent people in prison and making sure that we stop that tragedy from occurring in the first place. The Pennsylvania Innocence Project works primarily in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania on legislative work, on case law, and other reforms. But the project itself is also part of a larger effort called the Innocence Network. And the Innocence Network is an informal organization of about 67 innocence organizations from around the world. And together, the Innocence Network does work on policy reforms through filing Friends of the Court briefs on major cases in the Supreme Courts of states or of the United States, also working on legislative issues in Congress and even internationally. So we try to have a much broader impact. We're seeing this is an issue that affects every criminal justice system in the world. There's no system that's perfect, and we're all working together to make sure that we can all get better. An important part of the mission of the project is also to educate the community on issues leading to wrongful conviction. It is a travesty for anybody to have a person who's convicted of a crime had nothing to do with it. I mean, I think we would all agree that is a manifest injustice that our system really shouldn't tolerate. But people still don't really understand that people who are innocent do get convicted. So a lot of what we do is we educate people that this is a phenomenon that happens. It affects real people. It affects the defendant, the defendant's family, it affects the victim, and it affects society in general, because when we convict the wrong person, the true perpetrator is still out there. So we'll go to churches, synagogues, mosques, public education fora, wherever we can, just to educate people on these issues. Myself, our staff attorney, Neelam Sangvi, exonerees will come with us just to help raise those issues and raise the awareness around us so that we can all work toward a better criminal justice system together.